What up? Look how nice and in focus this is. This thing's baller. Hey Aggies, I wanted to showcase one of the items that we're going to be giving away in the next few weeks on our social media accounts, NMSU_housing for Instagram, or on our Facebook, NMSU Housing. So our streaming service provider, Xfinity, has provided us with a few of these headphones from Rhapsody. They're actually really dope. Haven't opened them yet, so I'm going to be doing an unboxing video right now to show you guys what's inside. And basically to be entered to win these headphones is you're just going to have to participate in some of our giveaways that we'll be hosting in our social media accounts. It is going to be really easy to participate. All you have to do is, show us that you're using your Xfinity account, and we'll have more information on how to do that in our social media accounts and on our pages. So without any further ado, let's get to it. All right, so let's get started. So here's the box. It's pretty dope. A lot of gold on there. So we'll open this bad boy up. Ooh, we got a nice gold box. Some sweet pull tabs. So let's see if I can do this. So pull this out. All right, so inside here, oh snap, we got some wires, a nice bag to hold your headphones in, a jack to plug into the iPhone, headphone jacks if you're still using an old phone that's capable of having headphones. Open this up, the main compartment, piece de resistance, if you will. Oh snap, look at those. Alright, so it says NMSU, or New Mexico State University, also NMSU. So we'll take these bad boys out. Very clearly, I haven't done an unboxing video before. Oh snap, these are like legit. So they have the Xfinity on Campus logo. Hope it's not showing up backwards because it's showing up on my camera screen. Yeah, and they're like pretty good. They're like nice leather too. Sweet. So yeah, all you have to do, like I said earlier, is enter in any of our social media giveaways that we'll be doing, and you can win some of these headphones for yourself. Alright, so straight up, I am a fool. I didn't read the instructions.
I'm an idiot. I'm a half-wit nincompoop. Moron, simpleton, clod, ninny, chump, dinwit, nitwit. I'm a goon. I'm a dumbo. I'm a dummy. Dumb.
Yo, these headphones are also wireless. Like, you can charge these bad boys and you don't even need the cord. I thought it was like a jack to plug into your phone, but it's actually to charge your headphones. So these are also wireless headphones. This is sick. Highly recommend, 10 out of 10.